Biotechnology is becoming one of the most strategic sectors for India. From vaccines to genome mapping, from startups to public health, the government has launched multiple initiatives to build a strong bioeconomy. Let us understand these initiatives one by one in a simple and structured way. The National Biotechnology Development Strategy is essentially a long term roadmap. It guides how India will grow its biotechnology industry. It focuses on research, innovation, manufacturing, and global competitiveness. The idea is to move India from being only a supplier of generic medicines to becoming a leader in advanced biological products. From a UPSC perspective, this connects to science and technology policy and economic development. The Atal Jai Anusandhan Biotech Mission focuses on high-risk research projects that may lead to breakthrough discoveries. These are projects that private players might avoid because of uncertainty. It promotes translational research, meaning laboratory discoveries should move toward real-world applications. It also encourages collaboration between universities and industries. This reflects India's push toward innovation-led growth. Biotech parks are physical hubs designed to support startups and small enterprises. They provide shared laboratories, equipment, and incubation support. Biotechnology requires expensive infrastructure. So instead of each startup building its own lab, these parks reduce entry barriers. This supports India's startup ecosystem. The Genome India project aims to map genetic variations among different Indian populations. This helps in understanding disease patterns specific to India. It supports precision medicine, meaning treatment tailored to individual genetic profiles. It also reduces dependence on foreign genomic databases. For prelims, remember it is about genetic mapping of Indian populations. The National Biopharma Mission focuses specifically on biopharmaceutical products like vaccines, biosimilars, and advanced therapeutics. After the COVID-19 pandemic, vaccine capacity became a strategic necessity. This mission strengthens India's manufacturing ecosystem and regulatory capacity. This has direct linkage with public health and global vaccine diplomacy. The One Health Consortium recognizes that human health, animal health, and environmental health are interconnected. Many pandemics originate from animals, so research must be integrated. This initiative promotes interdisciplinary cooperation. This concept is increasingly important for climate change and emerging diseases. The Biotechnology Industry Research Assistance Council, known as BIRAC, is a government enterprise under the Department of Biotechnology. It supports startups through funding and mentorship. It connects academic research with industrial application. This bridges the gap between laboratory research and commercialization. Together, these initiatives show a clear strategic pattern. India is building capacity in research, manufacturing, startups, public health, and genomic science. Biotechnology is no longer a niche field. It is central to economic growth, healthcare security, and global positioning for UPSC prelims match missions with objectives. MENS Science and Technology for Inclusive Development.